This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Peggy Hewett. Finally, one and only water oak listing. First floor unit with open floor plan on the third hole of the Indian River Club golf course. Large kitchen, west/eat-in area, granite countertops and amp, 42 inches cabinets. Kitchen opens to living room and amp, dining room. Living area leads to a screened porch and amp, patio overlooking the preserve. A master suite, second bedroom and amp, a den provide easy living for full or part-time residents. For more information, review the details below.